Hello everyone and welcome back. In the previous lecture, we spoke about currency pairs. We learned about what currency pairs are. Now, in this lecture, we're going to be looking at the categories of currency pairs. Okay, so we're going to be looking at how they are categorized. Okay, so in Forex, we have a way we categorize the currency pairs. Okay, and that's what we're going to be learning in this video. So I have this on my screen right now, and it says most traded currencies. So these currencies are the most traded currencies and most popular currencies globally. So we have a list of currencies here with the countries or the regions they are associated with, and with also this percentage value. Okay, now this is the percentage of how much this currency is used for global trade. Okay, for global trade. So we see that the US dollar is the most used currency globally for trade. We have the US dollar at 44.15%. We have the euro at 16.14%. We have the Japanese yen at 8.4%. Okay, we have the Great Britain pound at 6.4%. We have the Australian dollar at 3.38%. Okay, that's percentage of global trade. Okay, and then we have the Canadian dollar, 2.52%, Swiss franc, 2.48%, and then we have other currency pairs. Other currencies rather, not currency pairs. We have other currencies. Now, these other currencies comprise of all the other currencies in the world, okay? All the other currencies in the world. They just make up 16.53% of global trade. Now, of course, in this section, we have the countries these currencies are associated with. We see that the US dollars is associated with the US or with the United States of America. The euro rather, is associated with the European Union. The Japanese yen with Japan. Then the Great Britain pound with the United Kingdom. Australian dollar with Australia. And then Canadian dollars with Canada. And Swiss franc with Switzerland and other countries. So these are the most traded currencies globally. These are the most traded currencies globally. So this is something you should note. Then in the next slide here, we have the most traded currency pairs. Now these currency pairs are the most traded currency pairs globally. These are the most traded currency pairs globally. So here we see that we have the currency pairs here, and then we have the percentage of global trade in the Forex market. So we have the Euro USD at 28% of trade. Okay, we have the USD JPY, that's United States dollar against against the JPY or the Japanese yen. We have this at 13%. We have the GBP USD, which is the Great Britain pound against the US dollar at 11%. We have the AUD USD at 6%. We have the USD CAD at 5%. We have the USD CHF at 5% also. We have NZD USD at 4%. We have Euro JPY at 4%. GBP JPY at 4%. Euro GBP at 3%. AUD JPY at 3%. And Euro AUD at 2%. We have others also. We have others at 12%. That's other currency pairs at 12%. Like I said, we have thousands of currency pairs, but these are the major currency pairs, okay? So the next trade, we have okay, and then you have to note that these are what we call the major currency pairs. Okay, we have the major currency pairs, and then we have the cross pairs. So major currency pairs are basically currency pairs that have the US dollar in them. So we can see that all currency pairs here, okay, not all, but most of them here have the US dollar in them. So these are called the major currency pairs in Forex trading. Okay, and then we then have the cross pairs. Now these cross pairs are currency pairs that do not include the US dollar. So examples are GBP JPY, GBP NZD, AUD SGD, and ETC. So we can see some of them here also. We can see we can see Euro JPY, we can see GBP JPY, and we can also see these other ones. So these are examples of cross pairs. So we have the major currency pairs, we have the major pairs, which are the pairs that have US dollar in them, and we have the cross pairs, that's the pairs that do not have the US dollar in them. So these are them, and that's it for this lecture. Just to introduce you or to enlighten you more about the categories of currency pairs. So for the categories of currency pair, to recap, we have the major currency pairs, then we have the cross pairs. The major currency pairs are currency pairs with the US dollar in them, just like we have the GBP USD or Euro USD. So these are examples of major currency pairs. Then we have the cross pairs, which are pairs without the US dollar in them, like the ones you can see on your screen right now. Just note that these slides will be made available to you, so you can also study on your own, in case it will make your learning process more delightful or more peaceful. So that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for staying tuned, and hope to see you in the next video. Bye.